I started one small project now. I have left the rear of the car up, and I'm going to refurbish a little bit the rear axle. I have painted it once, cleaned it from rust and everything once a long time ago, but I'm going to remove it and clean it and paint it again and put new oil and things like that. So I'll get back when I get forward. It starts to be a moment of truth. Now I have those front supports. They are of the spring. They are free. It's only supported by the rear shackles, which I have taken the other plate off, and my jack here in the middle. I don't know, can I support it somehow? But it will land there on the wood on the both sides with the jack. Let's see. Okay. So now it's only supported here in the back ones, and it's resting there. I think I can make it somehow that I can drag it from there below. The rear axle is out with leaf springs. It was a little bit problematic to I would pull it with the jack, but it cannot balance very well because the jack should be here somewhere, but you cannot put it where it's in the balance, the axle. So I had to hold it and pull it same time out, but now I think I can get it a little bit forward. Yeah, from there I took it. It's in the two stands. In the tank protection there is some small rust hole, so maybe I will take the bottom plate from the protection and weld that hole and do a little bit cleaning, but otherwise things are good. The parts are here soaking into the solvent and getting a little bit loosened from all the rust and grime. Axle is here on the makeshift stand. It's not very good. I don't have those axle stands many. I'm taking the oil now out, and because I have to turn it upside down so it would come out from this breather. Actually, it seems that I have changed this oil once, but it seems that it's a very good time. It's quite bad. Black doesn't have any metal, but it's good time to change the oil. I have done quite a work with the axle cleaning. Now everything has been grinded and old paint taken away and removed rust with manual grinding. Here are other parts like those spring hangers and shock absorbers. Also clean the brake drums over there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to prep the surface and wipe everything. I have almost everything to with solvent. Still a little bit greasy, but and then I'm going to paint it with the brush and this epoxy or polyurethane type 2 component paint. I have still nearly 1 liter so I better use it for something like this. This is good for this undercarriage components. It has good corrosion resistance. I will show later when I have painted it. So here is the painted axle and the brake drums. A lot of form round small forms. Easily miss something with the paintbrush. And when you have the stands, you are able to a little bit turn the axle around and see to have it different sides. I think I have almost most of the places nicely painted black. It's I'm making a final assembly of the axle. I have taken all the springs apart and cleaned them and paint the leaves. I am going to attach the other spring set with U-bolts and then move it back to under the car and get the car ready. Painting of some rear wheels, rims are still in progress, and now a little bit better weather than before. I can have the door open. What else? I will take some video when the axle is under the car. So I have got everything assembled back here in the rear. Axle has been put on the position, and axle is painted filled with new oil, and spring has new bushes, and I have used some corrosion protection, like some thinner one for making the old one more flexible and not so dry. Everything looks nice. Garden axle has been tightened and brakes connected here with this one hose. Other wheel is white and nice also. And I'm going to put the right wheel back. I have painted this wheel also. I'm going to do same for the front ones, because there is some slight discoloration, so they will look similar then. From here I have cleaned little bit because the car has had water leaking here, so I have cleaned the rusty spots. This other hole has little bit rust around, so I had to enlarge it little bit. I don't know, maybe I should weld around that to make it nice or good, because the plug is now loose, and also around the seal I have and the frame rail I have put some corrosion protective. Yeah, but the axle looks nice now. So I'm ready to take the car out, and I will turn it and do something a little bit same on the other side. The seal has some flaking there, this one, so I will take care of that too same time.